Oh, that's good. That's an 8 out of 10. Banger. That means a lot. Trust me, that's a banger.
All right, let's make some proper smash burger sliders, but we're taking it up a notch with an infused bacon garlic mayo that's rich, flavorful, and hits just right. We're starting things off with some bacon. Lay your strips in a cold skillet, then slowly bring up the heat to medium so the fat renders evenly and the bacon crisps up without burning. Once it's golden and crunchy, move it to a paper towel-lined plate to cool. And if you want to level up the flavor, save a little of that bacon fat for toasting your buns later. Now for the infused bacon garlic mayo. In a mixing bowl, add mayo, black pepper, minced garlic, your crumbled bacon, and some freshly chopped cilantro. Stir it all together until well combined. Then drizzle in your infused olive oil. Start small and mix it in, adjusting the potency to your liking. Next, prep your toppings. Chop some lettuce and slice up a fresh tomato and onion into nice even rounds for later. These are going to give our sliders that juicy, fresh bite to balance all the rich flavors. Time for the burgers. Take your ground beef and add salt, black pepper, garlic powder. Roll your ground beef into small, loose balls. Don't pack them too tight. Heat skillet or pan over medium-high heat. Add a bit of regular oil or butter and place the beef balls down. Smash them flat with a spatula, pressing firmly to get those crispy, caramelized edges. Cook about 2 minutes per side. Once you flip, if you plan on adding cheese, toss it on now so it melts right into the patty. Toast your slider buns in the same pan. Add butter or oil. To build, spread a generous layer of your infused bacon garlic mayo on the bottom bun. Add your patty and the rest of your toppings. Juicy, crispy, fresh, and packed with flavor.
Dude, there's no bacon on it, but the bacon like jumps out at you. That's weird as Oh, that's good. That's an 8 out of 10. Banger. That means a lot. Trust me, that's a banger.